you're watching Fiji Today. The reduction of fuel prices effective yesterday is positive for the country. Acting Prime Minister and Attorney General Ayaz Sayed Qayyum says a drop in the fuel price improves the buying power of the Fiji dollar. He, however, adds people mustn't be complacent about saving up on fuel through energy-efficient actions.
Sayed Qayyum says despite the changes, people must not become negligent about the use of fuel, since Fiji have a very dependency on fossil fuel.
We are obviously very pleased with the reduction, but there's also some other work going on through the Commerce Commission in respect of the template itself regarding oil fuel prices, and we look forward to the findings of that. The Commerce Commission is working very closely with the oil companies, and we believe that this news is good news.
Attorney General, who also the acting Prime Minister, is urging members of the public, whilst it is good news, it is important that people must use energy efficiently and effectively.
It is still one of the largest imports that we have. We should focus on saving energy. We should focus on trying to not run the car unnecessarily, not leave the lights on unnecessarily. Just because it's cheap, it doesn't mean that it doesn't cost anything or it's become cheaper. Overall, it still has a major impact on our import bill.
A police officer has been recognized for setting up the community watch zone in Namandi that has helped curb criminal activities in the area. Police Commissioner Brigadier Yohane Nevalurua says the award symbolizes the commitment and passion the officer has for his job.
Officer in the Samambula Police District in the year 2011 displayed good commitment which enabled the formation of Watch Zone Committee, having good community policing initiatives through a dedicated service, and maintains good and constant working relationship with his community.
Setereke Matai hails from Vanuambalavu in the Lau group and has been serving at a community post for some time now. Matai joined the force in 1999 and was based at the Samambula police station for 3 years before he was transferred to manage the Namandi community post.
Dona kata leve una nungu apo sumbulbi, nungu pingara birna lenu bono. Usile ada kina na nungu itabi na nungu ingu, lebo nangu na o polisi seranga na nungu yau, atiki na nungu mono bir, salile na nungu chukiwan. Na buguni kaira ngandraba, kaira tengida, sombak na nungu report. Usto boleh seranga na nungu ingu, mupati mir. Yani mia dona quando do misilvio na cabinet gua é muito ausentana.
Matai was named as the best community officer of the year. After more than 12 years of service, Matai enlisted for the basic recruit training underway at the police academy in Nasese. Matai's message to all officers serving at community posts around the country is to maintain good and constant relationship with the community they serve.
Kung ano inform kami sa ato karutong ko, wana suway ni takalak. Sini kani bariray laman tahun ni, sa laman cucu ni bengarap. Ragi binak, sa yang ragi dah, sa kadi muling garap tabi, yun mo natubar. Prosong bulkawan na yan.
Effective monitoring systems introduced within the Itoke Affairs Scholarship Unit is proving effective with good results from students around universities in Fiji and abroad.
In as far as for next year, we will continue to offer scholarship to the Itoke students next year again. We will be meeting shortly with the committee of the Itoke Scholarship Committee to finalize the details of the advertisement for the next year's advertisement, and should be out within the next week or so.
The Itoke Ministry is calling on parents and students to be on the lookout for scholarship advertisements for next year, as there is an increasing number of applications every year.
The increase in numbers have been recorded over the years. You know, they continue to apply to the Itoke scholarship. On the other hand, we are taking a good number as well of the Itoke offering them scholarships at all universities, especially in Fiji. I think this year we had about 1,000 plus students at various institutions in Fiji. So we expect a good number to apply, and we also will also be offering a good number to the Tauke students from next year.
Join us again after the break.